आज हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं कि जो हमारा Arduino होता है उसको प्रोग्राम करने के लिए जो IDE दैट इज इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट लगता है उसको हम कैसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं और उसको कैसे यूज करते हैं उनकी छोटी छोटी कंपोनेंट्स के बारे में जानते हैं। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि इसको डाउनलोड कैसे करना है एंड इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है। So first of all, you have to go to your Chrome or any other internet server you are using. Just type Arduino download and you will be shifted to a page of the official domain. इस पे से आपको अपने जो भी आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है जैसे विंडोज या फिर मैक लिनक्स, तो हम लोग विंडोज यूज कर रहे हैं तो सेलेक्ट करेंगे एंड जस्ट डाउनलोड पे क्लिक करके हम जस्ट डाउनलोड कर लेंगे इसको। सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड सो आई एम कैंसिलिंग इट राइट नाउ। सो मैंने इसको डाउनलोड करा था एंड इसको डाउनलोड करके जब हम इसको ओपन करेंगे so you will be shown a pop-up that shows the installation of Arduino IDE. So after this pop-up, I just agree to it and just click next and next and next and click on install. After selecting the path you are choosing to install that, so it will be installed in a very proper manner. Right after that, you have to just click finish and then just finish this setup, and you will be given this particular icon of Arduino IDE. Just double click on that to open it. Once it's open, you will be shown a screen right here in which you will be given a left panel, a right panel consisting of a sketch and some many other options and some good preferences here in this GUI. So first of all, let me tell you the very basics of this IDE. So first of all, this is called a panel. This is called a panel where you write your code. So whatever code you are going to write or whatever component you are going to code here, you will be writing your code here only. Okay. Next, uh, after writing our code, we have to save the file using an extension that is .ino. So using this extension will save your file as an sketch. This means whatever code we are writing for Arduino or the components that we are programming is called a sketch. So a sketch is saved in the extension .ino. Okay. Next, moving, let's say we just finish our lines of code. Let's say I write here code and I write here code. I just finished the code. Okay. Now I want to verify my coding. I want to verify that if I have written all the code in a very proper manner and in a very uh, correct syntax. So I'll just click on this button that's verify, and this IDE will auto verify it. It will automatically work on verifying upon these codes, and it will tell me if there is an error or not. So let's try this. So yes, this is there is some kind of error. So basically there is no board selected. So you have to first insert your board via USB. So that's some other failures of this code. So just ignore it. We just have to use verify to verify if all these statements and some physical attestants are all okay to go. Okay. Now we have this button that says upload. This means if I have written my code very properly and now I have to upload this code to my microcontroller, I have to click on this upload button. Now moving up to this panel says file, edit, sketch, tools, and help. So just like we all have used Microsoft Word, there's a button named file which says new file, open file, save as, preferences means settings, sketchbook means uh, like there is a worksheet and there is a workbook. So what is the difference? Workbook is a collection of worksheets, right? So sketchbook is a collection of many sketches. Here are a lot of examples like basics, digital, analog, communication, control, sensors, display. So we can use these example as a reference. Okay. Moving next, there is edit means undo, redo, cut, copy for forum, paste, select all, go to line, comment, uncomment, increase indent, decrease indent, auto format, etc. Okay. Moving up to the next button, that is sketch. So verify, compile, that we have already explored them here. Okay. Upload and configure and upload using programmer. What is this? We'll learn this in upcoming videos of lessons. Export compiled binary, optimize for debugging. These are all just basic works that we generally don't use, but while we are debugging our code or we are facing some kind of problems, we can use these alternatives as an idea to upload and check if there is an error or not in our code. This is a button of tool that says auto format, archive, sketch, manage library, serial monitor, serial plotter. So while we will discuss serial communication, we will see what is serial monitor. Firmware updater, upload SSL root certificates. So this is for wireless connections. Board. There are many kind of boards, so you have to choose which board you are using if your PC cannot identify which board you are using or at which COM you are using. Headboard info says if you have connected a board to your PC, it will just fetch all the data connected with that. That is called the metadata of that board, and it will provide to you in a log file. Burn bootloader. So what is a bootloader? It actually works as a programmer. It actually works as a driver for that Arduino. And burning bootloader is outsider process that is not in our business. So let's ignore it. So this was all about this Arduino IDE in which we have to code and yeah.